watch my first video, you would see that I selected different parts for this build. As with everything, the only thing constant is change, and for this build, a few things did change. The flight controller that I selected before was a Speedy F405, but I found that the FC is too big for this build and opted to use the Mamba F411 AIO. Another thing that changed is actually the camera system. I was supposed to use a regular camera, a Caddx EOS 2 or a Caddx Ant, but I later on decided to just use a DVR capable Caddx Turtle V2, which I got used from the marketplace. Just wanted to state that, and thank you and enjoy. At this point, the build is complete. All you need to do is test it using the TVS smoke stopper. I have that. That will test for any short in your build. If it lights up and you plug in the battery like this, then wala ka ng problema. Next thing you need to check is your video, of course, my video feed. Pero in this build, nagkaroon ako ng problema where there was no video. Yung power ng turtle, Caddx Turtle, was supposed to be directly from the battery. I used the 5-volt BEC. But at that point, buo na yan. All you need to do now is, of course, assemble your drone. Ta-da! And then once na-assemble mo na yung drone, then next step would be to configure that in Betaflight. Thank you for watching. Next video that I will make will be about configuring this in Betaflight. Till the next one, thank you.